Morning, students. Welcome back to our online classes. Let's start our lesson number 3. Continue. So, first you listen carefully. Today again we will start safety in school. So, what do you mean by safety? Safety means keeping yourself and others free from harm or danger. It means taking care. The condition of being protected from or unlikely to cause danger, risk, or injury. So, some important points you see the picture and I will explain. Safety at school. School is a place where we learn to read, write, and play, share, and cooperate. We must always follow the rule of the school. Otherwise, there will be serious accident. So, listen, children, we have to follow the rules of the school. Do not stand on the desk. So, you have to not to stand on the desk. Second one is do not run around the classroom here and there. So you have to don't run here and there in the classroom. Do not hit others. Don't fight with anybody. Next one is do not enter the laboratories. Inform the class teacher about injuries, fight or anybody are fighting and hurt. So please inform the teachers. Next point is safety on the road. So we have to take safety in road also. Safety outside to avoid accident, playground, road. So you have to see everything. See children yearbook. Road accidents are very common in all big and towns. So to avoid this accident, we must follow the traffic rules. Always walk on the footpath. So you have to walk on the footpath. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. So you have to, when we are crossing the road, we have to use the zebra crossing. Now see children, book. Road accidents are very common in all big cities and towns. To avoid this accident, we must follow these traffic rules. Always walk on the footpath. Cross the road through zebra crossing. While crossing, stop, listen, and look first. Look to your left, then to your right. Again to your left. If the road is clear, cross the road. Never run or play on the road. Walk straight across the road, keeping a watch while crossing the road. So we have to watch while crossing the road. Always follow the lights at the traffic intersection, whether you are walking or traveling in a car. Always puts on the seat belt while traveling in a car. So you have to follow these all safety rules. Road safety tips and facts. Listen carefully. Do not drink and drive. Obey the speed limit. Do not use cell phones when driving. Ensure the vehicles is in a roadworthy condition and the vehicle's occupants wear a seat belt. When we are driving the car, then we have to wear the seat belt. How can we prevent road accident? You know children? Keep your eyes on the road when you are driving. Never use your cell phone. And we have to follow the traffic light. So there are three colors in traffic lights. So you have to know the traffic lights. So this we call a signal. Know your signal. Stop, look and cross. Do not run on roads. Always use sidewalks, crossroads and pedestrian crossing. And you have to cross in zebra crossing. So safety on the road, there is a important is traffic light. You have to follow the traffic light also. Traffic signals are robots, are signaling device positioned at road intersection, pedestrian crossing and other location to control flows of traffic. So the reason traffic lights are red, yellow and green. So red means stop, green means to go and yellow means hurry up and make that damn light. A yellow traffic light is a warning that a red light is soon to follow. In most cases, yellow light means slow down, not speed up. So we have to follow these traffic lights, red, yellow and green. So children, now we will start first aid. What do you mean by first aid? First aid is the first and immediate assistance given to any person suffering from either a minor or serious illness or injury with care provided to preserve life. Facts on the first aid. The aims of first aid are to preserve life, prevent harm, and promote recovery. So, these are first aid we have to keep in school, home, anywhere. So, if anybody will get injury, we have to soon take care. So, in spite of utmost care, sometimes accidents do happen and accidents occur at home. While working, we may get minor cuts or burns or insect bites. What should we do in such cases? We should give first aid. So, it is important point is first aid is a medical aid given to a patient or an injured person before proper medical and arrives. So before the medical arrives, we can give this first aid. So see the book children. So first aid can relieve or save the victim from permanent injury. We all must learn about first aid. Some simple method of first aid are given below. So for minor cuts, bruises and wounds. In case of minor cuts, bruises or wounds, do the following thing. So for the minor cuts, bruises and wounds, in case of minor cuts, bruises and wounds, do the following things. First, we have to wash your hand thoroughly with soap water before giving the first aid. So first we have to clean the hand. Second point, for a minor cut, clean with a cotton soaked in antiseptic lotion, then put a band-aid on the cut. Third point, for a deep cut, first clean the wound with a cotton soaked in antiseptic lotion. So we have to wash 2-3 times with the cotton ball and we have to dip it in antiseptic lotion. It removes the dirt and dust. Put another ball of cotton soaked with antiseptic lotion and tie a bandage around it. After cleaning the wound, we have to tie the bandage. It will help to stop the blood flow. After tying the bandage, it will stop the blood flow. So antiseptic lotion means Dettol, Savlon you can use. So first you have to clean with the cotton and then you have to tie a bandage around it. Next point is for burns. So for burns, in case of a minor burn, do the following things. Suddenly burn, first you have to wash the burnt area with cold running water. First we have to wash the hand. Second point, put an ice pack over the burnt area for about 5 to 10 minutes. So with the ice you can keep in the burnt area. Third point is apply antiseptic cream on the burnt area. So after 5-10 minutes putting ice, you can apply the antiseptic cream on the burnt area. So you have to take care when you are keeping the ice in the burnt area. Next one, for insect bites. For insect bites, sometimes insects like bees and wasps bite us. Insect bites can be treated. The following aid should be given for sudden relief. So, when the insects bite us, you have to apply ice on the affected area for some time. Second point, apply a paste of baking soda and cold cream to get some relief on that place. So you can use the baking soda or a cold cream. Third, a handy home remedy is to apply onion juice on the affected area. So many are taking onion paste and on that juice they keep on the affected area. So like that you can prevent from the insect bites. If a person faints, do the following things. Make him her lie down and his or her head lower than the body. You have to keep head on the lower side. This helps the blood to reach his her brain. Then second point is sprinkle cold water on his her forehead. So we have to put some cold water on his forehead. Loose his or her tight clothes. You have to open the button from the clothes. Do not crowd around the victim. Send for an adult or call a doctor soon. So children, you have to do this activity in science copy in white page. You have to show the signal. So you have to show traffic signal with the color red, yellow and green. So this is your activity from this lesson. So children, you understand the lesson of follow rules and be safe. So 3 points are there: safety rules to be followed at home and safety in the school, safety on the road and first aid. In safety rules, you understand about the home. Do not run, jump on wet and slippery bathroom and kitchen floors. Always keep the floors of the house clean and dry. Avoid walking on the wet floors. You may slip and fall. Do not play with sharp objects like scissors, knives, or blades. You may cut your finger. Do not climb on chair or window pane and try to reach the something. Do not open the main door of the house to a stranger. So fire in kitchen also. So there are also some point na. Do not wear loose and synthetic clothes. Gas stove must be turned off. In case of gas leakage, you have to open the first door and windows. If anyone alone at home, there is a fire, run out immediately and inform or call your neighbor. Electricity is a boon of a mankind. It has made our lives comfortable, but we have to handle electric gadgets with utmost care. Do not play or touch electrical plugs, damage wire or switches with a wet hand or when barefooted. Do not touch or go near a heater or a table fan. Safety in school also. So many points I explained you. Listen carefully. Always walk in a queue. Do not push each other. Do not run down the stairs or push anyone. While riding in the swing, use them turn by turn. Do not climb on the desk and chairs in the classroom. If anyone gets hurt, inform your teacher immediately or help him to go to the school clinics. Safety on the road. So that also so many main points I understand you. Cross the road through zebra crossing. Always walk on the footpath. Never run or play on the road. Walk straight across the road. Keep a watch while crossing a road. Next one is first aid. So, first aid is a medical act given to the patient or an injured person before proper medical aid arrives. So, it is very important. Listen carefully. First aid is a medical aid given to a patient or an injured person before proper medical aid arrives. For minor cut, wash your hand with soap or water. Then you have to put antiseptic lotion with deep cotton and you have to band it around it. It will help to stop the blood. For burn case, wash the burnt area with cold running water. Put a ice pack over the burnt area for 5 or 10 minutes. Apply antiseptic lotion cream on the burnt area. For insect bites, apply ice on the affected area. Apply a paste of baking soda and cold cream to get some relief. A handy home remedy is to apply onion juice on the affected area. If a person faints, do the following things. Make him or her lie down, his or her head lower than the body. This helps the blood to reach his or her brain. Sprinkle cold water on his or her forehead. Loose his her tight clothes. Do not crowd around the victim. Send for an adult or call a doctor. So I am asking some objective question. Please tell me. Tick the correct option. Sharp objects that you should not play with. Scissors, knives, blades, all of these. So all are sharp. Scissor also, knives also, blade also. So you have to tick all of these. Things that should be kept out of reach of children. Medicine, floor cleaners, naphthalene balls, all of these. So answer will be all of these. Toys should be kept on the floor, on the dining table, in the bathroom, in the toy room rack. So where you have to keep the toys? In the toy room racks. This type of clothes should not be worn in the kitchen. Cotton, silk, synthetic, none of these. So you have to don't wear synthetic clothes in the kitchen. Answer will be synthetic. Wasp bite can be treated with antiseptic cream, paste of baking soda, both A and B, none of these. So you have to treat it with the baking soda. Answer is paste of baking soda.